everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Emma. You guys should definitely stick around if you like what you see, and also make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I absolutely love posting on there, and I think it's a super fun way for us to connect other than YouTube. But for today's video, I'm super excited for a couple of reasons. One, I absolutely love like cleaning and organizing. I feel like it's just kind of like a de-stressor for me, and I think it's really fun. And two, I am partnering with Poshmark. So Poshmark is an app where you can buy or sell used clothing. There's also like accessories on there, as well as, you know, jewelry, shoes, all that kind of different stuff. So I've been using Poshmark for a couple of months now. I absolutely love it. They make it so easy to, you know, snap a couple pictures, describe the item, and then list it for sale. So the app itself is just really easy to use, and I have been clearing out my closet this spring and summer just to make room for some new clothes. So if you guys are interested in clearing out your closet, organizing, as well as making a little bit of extra cash, make sure you guys check out Poshmark. I will have the link to my closet, EmmaCatherine9, in the description box, as well as a link to download Poshmark. So this video is a little bit more vlog style. I thought it would be fun to kind of bring you guys along as I clean my room. So it's not necessarily like any tips and tricks, it's just you're watching me clean my room. But you guys love my other two cleaning my room videos, which I'll have linked in the description box as well if you want to check them out. So I thought that it would be fun to do another one. So this is just like kind of what I do on a weekly basis. I hope you guys enjoy it, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Alright, so this is what my room looks like. It's not too bad, but it's definitely messier than I would like. I have some laundry that I need to put away. My closet is a disaster as always, and then I need to make my bed, and I also need to clean off my desk because I cannot get any work done with it looking like that. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is make my bed. Baby, inside, I die, 'cause the way you work, yeah, you know you got it. You know me right, you're killing my, your eyes unkind, 'cause the way you work, yeah, you know you got it. You know me right, you're killing my. Okay, so now that we got that done, I'm gonna move on to my laundry. I've already put this off for a couple of days, so it just keeps piling up, and I just need to fold it and put it away. So I always make like a little pile of the stuff that I hang up in my closet, because I feel like I hang up most of my clothes, especially my like work clothes, because they're all like nice shirts and dresses and stuff like that. So that's actually what most of this pile is. And then the rest I obviously just like fold up and put in my dresser, like normal, I guess, like how everyone else stores their clothes. So I hung up all the clothes that need to get hung up, which are usually like my dresses, skirts, and nice tops. Okay, so now all of my laundry is put away. And then in here, like this basket is random stuff. I keep all my swimsuits in here, all of my shoes, which as you guys can see is a little bit of a mess, but I have like a basket for sandals. I have all my like sneakers and tennis shoes there. This is more of like my dry shampoo, perfume, deodorant kind of thing. I have some hair stuff, a bunch of random stuff. I think that's why closets are so messy, because you stick everything that cannot go in your actual room in your closet. So I'm not going to clean this out too much, because I feel like I kind of like tidy it up every once in a while, and it looks pretty good. My clothes are all set. I've got my shoes a little bit organized. You know, everything's like where it's supposed to be, so I think we're good on the closet. So now I'm going to tackle my desk. Just about everything on here doesn't belong here. It all belongs somewhere else in my room. I have a ton of dirty dishes, contacts, some stuff that should be in like my cosmetic drawer, and just a bunch of kind of random stuff. So I'm going to sort through that. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks much better. All of my cute cubbies are all good. My makeup area is good. My desk looks nice. My bed's all nice and made. My side table looks good. Got all this floor stuff taken care of. and my closet looks good. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you're interested in Poshmark, my closet, as well as the link to download Poshmark, is in the description box below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!